How to add Exness demo account in MT5. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open myexness.com and on the left side, click on My Accounts. After you're in My Accounts, click on Demo at the top and click on Open Account. After you've clicked on Open Account, here click on Standard and at the bottom, click on Continue. Now click on Demo at the top and add your currency, starting balance, nickname, max leverage, platform, make sure it's MT5, and then create a password. After you've added the password, press on Create Account at the bottom and your account will be created. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, scroll down and click on Trade. Click on MetaTrader 5 and then copy the login number. After you've copied the login number, simply close tab from here and then open MetaTrader. After you've done that, click on File at the top left and go to Open an Account. Here, search for Exness and you'll find different access. Click on Exness Technologies and press on Next. After you've pressed on Next, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on Connect with an existing trade account. Paste your login and then add your password and press on Finish at the bottom. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to add Exness demo account in MT5. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.